Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find Gmail password if forgotten. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, open up your phone settings. So after opening up your phone setting, you just have to scroll down and here you have to find an option which is Google. So here you guys can see the option which is Google. You just have to tap on it. So after tapping on that, you have to just tap on manage your Google account. So after tapping on that, here you have to just swipe right and you guys can be able to see an option which is security. You just have to tap on it. After tapping on it, now you guys have to just scroll down and here you have to find an option which is password manager. So here you guys can be able to see the option which is password manager. You just have to tap on it. So after tapping on it, now you guys can see the list of all apps associated with this. So you guys can be able to see any of the password from here. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.